That's the same thing what happened to my two grandmas. I thought when I get back to the province, they are still the same thing and still there with me. But I was wrong, you know. What I learned from that, just give your best and be nice to others. Come on, guys. I'm getting sad. Don't be sad, you guys, okay? But that's good. You guys can get it out, the feelings here. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that, Philip and Chuck, for trusting me and for having you know, having us this conversation, and you guys trusted me to open up for me right here. I really do appreciate that, which is I can learn something too from you guys, sharing me it's like an education to me also, sharing me what you guys life it's like. Thank you, Mr. Lucas. Philippines also. English only, familia. Thank you po. You're welcome. Where are you po? English only if it's okay, because most of my subscribers kay ano man sila, English lahat, din nila maintindihan sabi niya. I said that it's okay, Mr. Lucas, to say it in English because most of my subscribers are English, and when you see Tagalog her, they don't understand, and I don't want them to not to understand. Yes po, thank you very much po. I appreciate po talaga, Mr. Lucas. Mukisha, this is Mukish. Yes, Mukish. Philip, yes, and essence of time is a priceless. So each time is a priceless, which is good.
Natutulog ka kasi may itong pumatok na klase.
Mukis, how are you? Mukis, come on na. Okay, manahay magbahala ka, Mukis. Now the rain stop. Now the rain stop. Maganda dyan. Beef dyan. Pero 900.
Pera. Ayun, binibilang ko ng bago.
Hindi ko sasabi ngayon.
Naku, alam ko na yung plano mo.
Masarap daw dyan.
Dito?
Baka daw may discount.
May hot pots dyan yung ano.
Nga. Kailangan pagpunta tayo dyan, hindi tayo kakain ng kahit ano.
Isang araw. Isang araw tayo hindi kakain. May discount. Dito daw yun ang may-ari nito.
Tanungin mo nga kung may discount. Ngayon, para malaman natin. Tanungin mo muna.
Baka na, pagkakain.
Hindi, para may idea tayo.
Saka nagumulan. Nagumulan pa utusan mo.
Hindi man yan hindi man yan naulanan. Dito sa gilid yung akyatan. Diyan. Taas mo lang kung magkano. Para may idea tayo how much it is. We are talking about that they have grilled restaurant upstairs of this hotel. After upstairs in this shop. Hi! It's okay po, Mr. Lucas. Were you in the US? Were you in the US? Which country you are? Chuck, you're my subscribers.